What if you could earn on each mouse click? Your salary is too low and your income is unable to satisfy your expenses. Well, no worries. I always came up with a solution. With this method, you would be able to earn extra cash every day, and you don't need to invest a single penny. Or also, you don't need any degree or skill, no matter if you have any previous experience or not. I suggest you watch the complete video till the end to make sure that you would end up your day counting dollars. You don't have to do any hard work. In fact, your every tap will make money. This method is super simple, and even a kid can do this. And the good thing about this website is you can withdraw $0.2, and this is withdrawn every day. If you haven't worked a lot in a day, or if you just have made fewer dollars, even then you can withdraw your amount by the end of today, unlike other websites that didn't allow low or everyday withdrawals. Imagine having financial freedom by just tapping on your mobile screen or clicking if you are using a laptop. Let me show you are going to do this. Before moving forward, hey guys, welcome to my channel, where you will find the easiest money-making ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so you can stay in touch with us and make your life better. I want you to first visit Volutic.com. Open the first link. I will also paste the link in the description below, so you can directly jump on the website without any hassle. Earn money by viewing emails, as is stated on their homepage. This website will compensate you for nothing more than opening and reading emails. And you receive between $0.10 and $0.20 for each email. Therefore, you can easily make up to $2 for 10 emails. When you slightly scroll down, you can see here it says, Earn money by reading email, wherever you are. With Volutic, you can make money by reading and opening emails from any device, PC, tablet, or smartphone, regardless of where you are. This approach is totally free and accessible to everyone. After that, please leave a comment below letting me know from which nation you are seeing this video. The only thing left to do is register for an account on this website. You can accomplish it by simply clicking this button here that says Register. After that, you will be brought to this page to complete the form. Here you need to enter your username, your email address, and your password. You can leave the referrer field empty, however, it will be preferable if you know of a friend or someone else who uses this website, so you can become their referral. By doing this, you will enable them to receive more payment from you. The best part is that, once you sign up, you can also do this with other people. Then, after reading their terms of service and privacy notice, just check the first two boxes. Just be careful not to tick the last box, as you probably don't want to get daily spam emails from this website. Simply click this register button after that. An email for activation will follow. Simply open the email and click the activation link to get started. You'll receive a message right away with information on how to add this email address to your contact list. You must do this in order to increase your earnings from this site and receive more emails. You don't need to worry. I'll teach you how. To build a filter, simply click on the three dots after selecting the filter messages you want to use. Then click Create Filter after selecting Star It. Never send it to spam, primary category, and apply filter to matching conversations. After that, choose this email address by clicking on Contacts right here, and then click Add to Contacts. There you have it. You'll now begin receiving daily emails from this website. Your only responsibility is to click on the various promotional links contained in each of these emails in order to earn money. Since you can open these emails from your phone or laptop, you can make money anywhere you are. Your task is to simply click on the promotional links contained in each of these emails in order to earn money. Since these emails can be opened from a laptop or a phone, you can make money wherever you are. Additionally, the payment for each link you click will vary depending on the country you are from and the website that is being advertised. Pay differentials between residents of industrialized and developing nations are constant. You can choose to pay with a credit card, PayPal, or a debit card. This is the easiest way to make money online, as you have seen in this video, and you will make money every nanosecond. Nothing is better than a business without investment. If this method worked for you, let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. I hope you like this video. If yes, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you with a new website. Take care.